Welcome to the Informaven AI Update, a podcast for higher education administrators to discuss the practical use of AI and intelligent agents. I'm JD Mosley-Matchett, the founder and CEO of Informaven.ai, and this month our guest is Dr. Joseph Levy, Associate Vice Provost of Accreditation and Quality Improvement at Excelsior University. To hear the entire interview, please visit Informaven.ai. What advice do you have for administrative leaders regarding AI?
I think for administrators, it's going to be really important to get familiar with it. I think it's really easy as an administrator to, if you're not engaged with it, to not understand the nuances of the tools and the possibilities and the considerations, and to instead just focus on the news stories or what you're hearing from other administrators or your colleagues. But if you're not actually seeing how your people are using this information or the possibilities of it, you may not be making the most informed decisions, right? So it's important to get connected, to play around with it yourself. And if you don't have time to play with it, talking to the people at your institution who are using it to better understand its capabilities and possibilities and allow you to ask questions. But with that, and by getting involved, you'll probably also pretty quickly see that you may need to set aside some funds for this, because being a consumer myself and trying to learn more about AI, I'm hearing more and more about different tools. And as you go on websites and explore, a lot of them say, well, here's what you can do with the free version. Here's what you can do with the paid version. And then even when you talk to certain colleagues and they have some real robust, awesome automation going on or some tool they created, usually it's with a paid version of a tool. And so it's really important for administrators to make sure to set aside some resources, not only their time and attention, but funds, because that may be an investment to make to best explore something, especially in a pilot way before making a big investment, but also to enable your people, right? Some of these licenses are very inexpensive. And some of these tools, you can get a whole team's worth of access and unlock the full capability of an AI tool for a couple $100s for a whole team. But again, if you're not setting aside those funds, if you don't understand the purpose, that may never happen. And then that team may never fully realize the potential of this tool that could really help them with efficiency or effectiveness or again, helping offload some work. And so I think that's one of the things that the two pieces I would say is get engaged to know what we're talking about and play around with it yourself, or else definitely talking to people who are using it, and be ready to set aside and earmark some funds in order to, again, best experiment, but also be ready to start leveraging some of these tools and tech.
Please visit Informaven.ai to hear the entire interview.